Hello, and welcome back to another resin art video. Okay, today is the aluminum Triptych. I started out with mixing up approximately 28 ounces of Pearl Marine Supply resin. Each one of these aluminum panels is approximately 10 inches by 22 inches long. I've got some previous videos where I show how I ground them and I cut them all up and everything, so I will link those videos in the description of this video, along with all the products and everything needed to create this. So let's get going. We'll play some music, and then towards the end I will go over all the colors. Okay, keep watching. Okay, so I said I'd go over the colors with you towards the end of the video. And the one on the left, let's just start there. That one, the two colors are translucent colors from Art Tree Creations for the base. It has turquoise and green envy on it. And then also some copper, aluminum smooth, and rich gold. So those are all the colors in the one on the left. The one dead center that is red, orange, and yellow, that actually has an epoxy pigment paste that's supposed to be opaque, and I use just a tiny, tiny bit of it to make it translucent. The color of it is called red, and it's from Art Tree Creations. It's actually in the kit that Tamara sells. It's a kit with 35 colors. The other colors in the middle one are Bumblebee, which is actually an opaque color also, and then a tiny, tiny bit of P.H. Martin's Tangerine ink. The one on the far right has the color boysenberry in it. It also has some turquoise in it, and then some cobalt blue. Now that color right there where the turquoise and the boysenberry mixed at, that's like my favorite color blue. So the part that I just zoomed in on. I've also got some aluminum smooth over there going through the orange painting and then the purple painting. So, okay, well, I told you I'd tell you the products. Now we'll do a little flyover of all of them here coming up, and then some stills, and that'll be the end of the video. So I'll play some more music, and then I'll come in and tell you all bye. All right, here we go. Okay, so if you've seen any of my videos before, you know on these metal pigments, it just takes a tiny bit of heat with the heat gun to make them sell out and do all this neat stuff. So, God, that stuff's so beautiful. I really, really love this aluminum, and I got another video coming up here pretty soon on it. So I'll post it here probably within a couple days. All right, well, thank you everybody for tuning in. I'll put some more videos on the aluminum stuff right here. These are just these square boxes where you just hit the box with your thumb and it'll take you to the next video. If you like what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.